brushing our teeth. You're so gay. Fuck. How long do you brush your teeth for?
I don't know.
Oh, mine has a 2-minute timer. I just keep going. There's some drool on my right arm here from brushing my teeth, as you can see. Brushing my teeth is something I like to do. One of my hobbies. Candy's having problems. Candy's having problems. Should just about do it. Glad you guys watched.
I have to rinse.
So do I. Go.
Hold it.
This is Candy rinsing her mouth that was covered in white stuff. Ow. Why'd you do hot?
It was already
Ow.
on. This is David rinsing the white stuff out of his mouth. Now we have to show him off.